Hey, what it is, YouTube? Delco here with another unboxing and first look at the Razer Blackwidow keyboard, mechanical keyboard. It's the Ultimate Edition. First glance at the box, I don't know what the hell they did, like they threw it down the stairs or something, but this is all mashed in. Ordered this through Amazon. But pretty much it. Got some brown paper. Not a lot of padding. And then here's the keyboard within its box. Got an invoice. This cost me $112.06. Shipping and handling would have been $11.60, but I got shipping and handling free. So altogether $112.06. I think it retails for $125. So let's take this slip off. I'm currently using the Logitech I think it's G35. It lights up blue. I know they have another version that's like orange and whatnot. Lights up orange. But I'm a big fan of the blue lighting. I like the blue color. Blue and black, probably one of my preferred colors, I guess. Let's open this up. Oh, that's close. Okay. Peel that back. So we'll go over some of the features. There's plenty of reviews out there already. I guess I can go over why I chose the Razer Blackwidow. I know it's probably a preferred mechanical keyboard over many of the others. The other choice I was deciding on, or the other keyboard I had in mind, was the Corsair. I think it's called K90. It's a MMO keyboard. One drawback on that was that not all of the keys were mechanical. Well, this one's a full mechanical keyboard. Also, another drawback, it uses two USB cords or whatever to power it. So inside, what do we got? We have the software. Just open up, what's this say? For gamers by gamers, www.razerzone.com. I don't know if you can see that in the lighting. Maybe there. Okay. Open this. How do you open this? Just peel it. Just peel that open. And it's like we got a bunch of square coasters. That's what they look like. But certificate of authenticity. Jeez, look at all these things. It's like a book. We have a Razer Blackwidow with like an engraved logo on the back there. Has an English and French. Just tells you the contents. It's got the software. I believe it's probably downloadable software or drivers and stuff within the Razer website. I think that's the new thing to do. It's probably the best way, so you don't lose any CDs or anything. Got some cool stickers. Everybody likes stickers. Throw those on the PC case or something. This one is just the product catalog. It says down below, and just shows you the various mice. One unique feature Amazon does is that it groups products that were bought together or bought or like are similar to each other that other people have bought. And so far I grouped up the Razer Blackwidow, the Razer the Razer Death Adder, the mice I have, it's the blue one, and then the QCK Mini SteelSeries mousepad. So a lot of people say the Razer mice are the best and SteelSeries for everything else, but I went with the Razer keyboard. Another reason why I chose this over the SteelSeries one is it's got the macro buttons here. You can macro, I think, other buttons as well, but anyways, it's got on-the-fly recording, I believe. But the macro buttons are here. It's fully. It's just like an empty box. It's got something in it. Pretty sure it's empty. We'll check that out later. But got this thick braided cable, and the SteelSeries didn't have any macro buttons on the side, but it's pretty heavy duty. I know this one's pretty decent. Not too heavy, not too, definitely not like the lightest thing, but it's a good weight. Got to check out the sound. So everything is mechanical, even these buttons. The K90 Corsair one is all blue backlit. I like the key layout of the Corsair one. It's just, it wasn't fully mechanical. Like the ones that were only mechanical for the Corsair were just this block and then the number pad and I think the arrow keys. So it's from, you see this, the main block keys, then the arrow keys and number keys. These ones weren't, the top ones weren't, and it had, I think, up to 18 macro keys, like my Logitech one, but those were all rubber domed, non-mechanical keys. This one lights up blue, but I don't have my PC with me. I'm at my friend's house doing this unboxing. What the hell? There we go. That just opens up on the side there. Pull this out. So there's a USB. It's got, is this double USB too? Did I not know that was not? Oh. I got punked. I got punked hard. One drawback they say about this Razer Blackwidow is the fingerprint magnet. But so far it's, I don't know if they changed it, but my fingerprints aren't showing up really. I think if you smudge it, maybe smudge. You can see a smudge there already, but pretty easy to clean with the shiny gloss feel. This guy up. A knife. I know I have one more other unboxings to do, but it hasn't shipped yet today. We just received this in the mail. It took about a week. Got free shipping. Watch it just like cut open this cord, cut the whole cord in half. What is up with this thing? Oh, there's a, no, that's not it. Okay, so what do we got? At least it's all one thick cord, so all these cords are braided within that thicker one at the beginning. That makes it a little bit cord friendly and hassle free, I guess. So this one says port on the USB, and this one says Razer. If you can see that, it's like so this one does have 2 USB ports, so I was misled. And it looks like you can put this into your audio and microphone. You see here, one's red, one's green. Looks like these are gold plated. I don't know. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it for the unboxing first look. I know I saw this at Best Buy, and I'd always like, every time I went there, I'd always touch the arrow keys because that's where they were. And the sound is so cool. You can see here on the box, these keys are light up blue. I believe this bottom part, the Razer logo, pulsates. There's probably different functions, I believe. I think they have different brightness, maybe. Let's see. 5 levels of lighting. 10 customizable software profiles. Earphone out, microphone in jacks. Easy access media keys. And I believe these are the blue mechanical switches, the cherry blues. I think that's pretty much it. What else do we have on the the bottom? I guess. Where's the USB? Oh, we have. It's like one USB port on the side here. See that? And then there's the headphone and microphone jacks. Side it's upside down right now, but whatever. And then it's got 2 feet stands, leg stands, whatever you want to call them. 2 little keyboard stands on there. So that's it. I think that's it for now for this first look unboxing. There might be a review later on playing other games. Guild Wars 2 comes out within a month. We'll try this out on Diablo 3 for a little bit, but currently just trying to play more BF3. Don't really get a chance this week. Watching the dogs. We'll see what the hell's in this little empty-ass box. Nothing. Got nothing in it. Just it's a distraction with like a Chinese finger trap looking thing on here. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.